Uber Technologies, Inc., commonly known as Uber, is an American technology company. Its services include ride-hailing, food delivery, package delivery, couriers, freight transportation, and, through a partnership with Lime, electric bicycle and motorized scooter rental. The company is based in San Francisco and has operations in over 900 metropolitan areas worldwide. It is one of the largest firms in the gig economy. Uber is estimated to have over 93 million monthly active users worldwide. In the United States, Uber has a 71% market share for ride-sharing and a 22% market share for food delivery. Uber has been so prominent in the sharing economy that changes in various industries as a result of Uber have been referred to as Uberization, and many startups have described their offerings as Uber for X. Like similar companies, Uber has been criticized for the treatment of drivers as independent contractors, disruption of taxicab businesses, and an increase in traffic congestion. The company has been criticized for various unethical practices and for ignoring local regulations. Uber determines the fees and terms on which drivers transport riders. The company takes a 25% share of each fare provided by Uber's partners. Uber uses a dynamic pricing model. Fares fluctuate depending on the local supply and demand at time of service. Customers are quoted the fare in advance. Service is generally accessed via mobile app. Users set up a personal profile with a name, phone number, other information, and payment preference, which could be a credit card, e-commerce payment system or, in some cases, cash. After the service is complete, the customer may be given the option to provide a gratuity to the driver, which is also billed to the customer's payment method. The status of drivers as independent contractors is an unresolved issue. Drivers provide a vehicle, which could be owned, rented, or leased. Drivers must meet requirements for age, health, car age and type, have a driver's license and a smartphone or tablet, and may be required to pass a background check. In many cities, vehicles must pass annual safety inspections and/or must have an emblem posted in the passenger window. Some cities also require drivers to have a business license. There may be accommodations for hearing-impaired drivers. Drivers may be notified before accepting a trip if it will be longer than 45 minutes. After each transaction, drivers and customers may rate each other and users with low ratings may be deactivated. UberX is the basic level of service. It includes a private ride in a car with driver for up to 4 passengers. Depending on the location, Uber offers other levels of service at different prices including black luxury vehicles, newer or premium level vehicles, cars with leather seats, sport utility vehicles, minivan, vans, hatchbacks, electric cars, hybrid vehicles, motorcycles, auto rickshaws, actual taxicabs, lower cost shared transport with other passengers going in the same general direction, child safety seats, pet shipping, guaranteed Spanish language speaking drivers, additional assistance to senior citizens and passengers with a physical disability, and wheelchair accessible vans. Persons with a service animal may use any type of Uber service. As required by law, through a partnership with Lime, users are able to rent jump electric bicycles and motorized scooters. Uber offers health professionals in the United States a HIPAA compliant service for patients traveling to and from their appointments. Patients without smartphones can receive pickup information via text messaging or via the health professional's office. Uber Freight matches freight shippers with truckers in a similar fashion to the matching of passengers with drivers. In partnership with local operators, Uber offers boat transportation in certain locations at certain times of the year. In 2009, Uber was founded as UberCab by Garrett Camp, a computer programmer and the co-founder of StumbleUpon, and Travis Kalanick, who sold his Red Swoosh startup for $19 million in 2007. After Camp and his friends spent $800 hiring a private driver, he wanted to find a way to reduce the cost of direct transportation. He realized that sharing the cost with people could make it affordable, and his idea morphed into Uber. Kalanick joined camp and gives him full credit for the idea of Uber. The prototype was built by Camp and his friends, Oscar Salazar and Conrad Whelan, with Kalanick as the mega advisor to the company. In February 2010, Ryan Graves became the first Uber employee. Graves started out as general manager and was named CEO shortly after the launch. In December 2010, Kalanick succeeded Graves as CEO. Graves became chief operating officer. By 2019, Graves owned 31.9 million shares. Following a beta launch in May 2010, Uber's services and mobile app officially launched in San Francisco in 2011. Originally, the application only allowed users to hail a black luxury CA.